Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to straight pipe your Dodge Ram 1500. First, gather all necessary tools such as a floor jack, jack stands, and a complete wrench set. Safety is paramount, so always wear gloves and eye protection. Before starting, it's crucial to understand your local exhaust modification laws to avoid any legal issues. This project can be completed with basic mechanical knowledge and the right preparation. Now let's get that old exhaust system off. Begin by safely lifting your Dodge Ram 1500 using a sturdy floor jack and securing it firmly on jack stands. Next, locate all the exhaust hangers and clamps along the system. Use a penetrating oil if needed to loosen stubborn bolts. Once unbolted, carefully maneuver and remove the muffler and resonator sections, setting them aside. Take your time to avoid damaging other components. With the old system out, it's time to install your new straight pipe. Carefully position the new pipe section, ensuring it aligns correctly with the existing exhaust. Secure all connections using high-quality exhaust clamps, tightening them firmly. For a more permanent solution, you might consider welding the joints. After installation, start your truck and listen for any exhaust leaks, then visually inspect all fittings to ensure everything is tight and secure. This step is crucial for performance. After installation, carefully lower your Dodge Ram 1500 back to the ground. Perform a thorough final visual inspection of the entire exhaust system to ensure everything is properly aligned and secured. Take your truck for a short test drive, paying close attention to any new or unusual noises, vibrations, or exhaust leaks. This ensures your modification is safe and effective. And hey, while you're upgrading your ride, why not upgrade your home? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.